Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What we got growing here today is Bubba's lawn gourd. The lawn gourd is starting to grow and creep up the trellis. I'm growing it in Michigan's largest grow bag, 1.5 yards of material. I've got some lattice around it. But if you look at this bag, it's a giant bag, probably around, well, 50 cubic feet or more of veggie dew from Morgan's Composting in Sears, Michigan. But what I'm excited to tell you today, this has only been in the ground about a week. She's starting to go up the trellis. Bubba's lawn gourd is rising. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. And hey, I'm linking this to the other tomato video. Share and comment on both videos. You'll be entered to win a free 6-pack of Mark's mixes. The winner pays the shipping. All right. What we have here is shade netting. This is an insect screen that is made to keep bugs out of small areas or even big areas if you want to use it. But it's a screen. I'm using it today to shade the plant because we've went from cold rain Mageddon till now it is in the 80s and hot. So what this screen does is take away 20% of the sun. A plant only needs 50% of the sun's intensity for 100% production. So rather than letting this young plant get burned by the sun, it's only getting 80% of the sun. So there you go, it'll love that filtered sun. Another thing I'm doing here is the pipes. You see the pipes sticking out? I've got those ran down into the bag at different levels and different zones so I can keep moisture in this bag. That will be my biggest challenge in this grow, is keeping the moisture level just right, top to bottom in this grow bag. As the plant cannot get out of the grow bag, I did not tear out the bottom. I did poke some holes here in the side. But the ground here is hard clay, harder than Bubba's head. There's no way I'm gonna grow in that soil. So hey, join us as we keep them growing, and we'll watch Bubba's lawn gourd rise to the occasion, to the top of the trellis. This should all take place in the next month, and then we will see pollinated lawn gourd up there, and we'll watch her grow. We're about 12 feet to the ground. The current world record holder, Al Eaton from Canada, holds a record at 149 inches. I have this just about exactly 149 inches. And if I have to, I can dig a hole in the ground. I hope it becomes a problem. And let the lawn gourd grow into the ground. So there you have it, man. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Click on your notifications. And share both videos. And we're going to give away a 6-pack of Mark's mixes. Winner pays the shipping. And I'm going to talk to you also real quick. I want to talk to you about fertilizing. When you use powder fertilizers such as Miracle-Gro or any brand, it doesn't really matter, Mark's mixes. If you're doing 1 teaspoon per gallon, which is full strength, all right, that is intended to be poured on like a 10 square foot area. Let's say 2 feet by 5 feet is 10 square feet. You don't pour that all in a small little area because then it's too much fertility in one little spot. So keep that in mind when using fertilizers and you're watering containers, plants in containers and such. It's really better to do a trickle feed and half strength, quarter strength, and do it a little more often than it is to load up and give the plant all of its steak and potatoes in one day. Kind of spread it out. I believe in the trickle feed system, read and feed. All right, man, so join us. You'll learn more about feeding the plants, more about the pipes. There's my moisture meter. Bubba can stick his hand down this pipe and find out if there's moisture in the bottom of Michigan's largest grow bag. So join us. It ought to be exciting to see how the summer unfolds. We'll talk to you soon. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. And I hope you're our next lucky winner like Colby Purnell from Utah was last week. Talk to you soon.